The NSK esa-y3040t23-21-1 is a variant of a variant for a member of the NSK servo driver family. We received this from a bearing manufacturer customer, and it required a full rebuild. As shown in the video, we performed a full test on the driver with a load and a custom interface. These drivers are custom programmed and used in a variety of applications for moving wafer cartridges through a tool. This particular driver did not like any of our motors, so that is why we used a linear load for the test. ERD has a wide variety of parts available for these NSKs, and we also provide some repair on certain motors and other variations of servo drivers. We are confident in the fact that we provide the best possible repair for our customers for this product line. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.